Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. This time we are going to make salmon. I have salmon fillets and we are going to make it a dish which is very popular in Bengal, very tasty. It is mustard fish called Shorshe Bata Mach, and I'm making it with salmon. So there's a little bit of a procedure here. You need to have your mustard seeds. We're going to make a paste of the mustard seeds. Now when you grind the mustard seeds, sometimes they can be bitter. So to remove the bitterness, what I do is I soak it for a couple of hours and then throw out the water and then grind the seeds. So I'm going to get on with that, but first let me show you what we do with the fish. Whenever we cook fish in Bengal, we marinate it with a little bit of turmeric and a little bit of salt. And we put that away and then we make the paste afterwards. So watch me as I do this. So what I have here is I have approximately 90-gram fillets. I have 4 fillets. They've been defrosted. I bought them frozen from Tesco. As you know, we're going through lockdown, so I'm trying my best to use what I have as opposed to buying more. So it's 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and about the same of salt. And we're just going to rub this in and marinate it. And then we're going to put it away in the fridge. And then we're going to make the mustard paste. So I'll show you the ingredients. Normally I always start with showing you the ingredients, but today I just decided let me get these fish pieces marinated and then we'll start on the paste next. Get 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds. 1 and 2. And then what I'm going to do, like I said to you, I'm going to soak this in water and leave it for a couple of hours. And then I'm going to throw away the water and make the paste. What we have here are 2 green chilies that are going to go in with this and a pinch of salt. And that is going to make my mustard paste, which I will use for this dish. It's called Shorshe Bata Mach. So Shorshe is mustard and Bata is actually grinding it and making the paste. So Shorshe Bata Mach. So I'm going to do that and you can watch me next. So that's all you need for the mustard paste. And then I'll tell you what we need to actually temper this dish with. So to temper Shorshe Bata Mach and even to make the paste, you usually need mustard oil. In this country you don't get edible mustard oil, so if you don't have mustard oil in your kitchen, you can use olive oil, extra virgin olive oil if you want. You can cook with that. And what you need is a 1/4 teaspoon of Nigella seeds. Again, I'm saying 1/4 teaspoon, I'm actually using a spice spoon which is smaller than a 1/4 teaspoon. It's almost half of a 1/4 teaspoon. So I recommend, if you have these, use this, because this is a 1/4 teaspoon is what I'm calling, but it's actually a small spice spoon. Nigella seeds and 2 green chilies. That's it for the Shorshe Bata Mach. We've got 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, 2 green chilies, 100 ml of water, and let's just put in a pinch of fantastic hot. We're just going to put in 1/4 teaspoon or so of black onion seeds, which is called Nigella seeds, and then I'm putting in the green chili. You don't need to. There you go. It is popping, so it's ready. Next, we're going to put in I've got half a red onion, medium size, chopped, and fry the onions. Till they separate. The onions are fried nicely. We're going to put in some turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, and we're going to put in salt. Salt is to taste. And then we're going to put in the mustard paste we have made. Lower the heat, you don't want the paste to burn. And then I'm going to just put some water in this and drop it in. So that's going to make the curry. Always make sure you use hot water, otherwise it takes longer to cook. So don't just put in ordinary tap water, make sure you're putting warm water or hot water in. I think it needs a bit more. Fish we had marinated, we're going to put that in. Just going to put the lid on and come back in 5 minutes. Well, come back in 3 minutes and turn it, and then in by 5 minutes it'll be all done. And it's been about 3 minutes. I'm going to have a look. I've just flipped them over. They look fully ready to be served and beautiful. Look at that color. It's going to make a delicious meal. Right, that's it. I'm just going to turn it off. It is done. It is done, ready to be served. 6 minutes altogether. Putting the fish in. Ready to be served. I'm going to turn it off now.